Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today in the Countdown to Christmas series. We're on number 17 for the little Christmas projects. Today I'm sharing with you these Christmas treat pockets. Now I've made these in two different sizes, a small, small and a larger size, and I'll show you what they look like. So it's just a little simple envelope pocket with kind of that neat kind of fold on the bottom. I don't know, it's like that sour cream container fold. And so they're really simple to put together. The small ones are made from a 6.5 inch piece of paper by 4. And it's just really simple gluing or taping to put them together. And then I've used my large scallop punch for this little decoration on the front. I cut out just on some white, some of them are on white paper and some are on this kind of silvery, shinier paper here. And then I stamped Merry Christmas in red ink on there, and then just cut the edges with my fancy scissors. I think they're Victorian cut scissors, they're called. So yeah, so that's that. So it looks like this, and then they're perfect to put the little treat inside like this. You could tuck a little note or something in there if you wanted. You could fit a candy cane in there. So yeah, just some cute ideas for you. I'm actually making these for one of my sons. He helps with the children's program at his church, and I said I would make these up for the kids. I think there's about 30 that he would like to give them to, and then I'm also doing some for his leaders, which there's about, I think he said around 18 of those, so I'm doing the larger ones for the leaders. Anyway, so I'll show you what different papers I've used for these, and they're really cute. All the papers are from the Mr. Freeze large paper pad from Michaels, or the North Pole Gazette. And so this one's a snowflakes, red and white there. The holly berries, I think that's a really pretty pattern on the black. The leaves and the berries really stand out. We've got the reindeer on there. This is the red cardigan sweater paper there. And we have some snowflakes. And these are little mini snowman in the snow globes with some snowflakes on the background. This is kind of, it's got frames on it and wreaths on it. It's just pretty. This one's got some Christmas trees and some hot chocolate. Yeah, they're really cute. So those are the small ones. And then the large ones are just a little bit bigger. These ones are you use a piece of paper that's 7 inches by 5 inches. And I'll put the measurements of the scoring and stuff in the description. But yeah, so these are how I did the larger ones. And for these, I stamped out this pretty Christmas tree and the word Merry Christmas. And I did that on my a die that I cut out with a rectangle stitched die on there. And then just attach that to the front. And added some pretty red and white baker's twine just to dress it up a little bit more. And these ones you could fit something a little bigger in there. You could tuck in one of these chocolate bars. I'm sure they'll come out with some nice Christmas themed, treats that would work in here as well. So that just gives you some ideas of how to use those. And I will go ahead and create one of the this size of the pocket for you.